here to show my new project that is about making LinkedIn posts using local LLMs with Olama. So at first, we need a topic or a content from which we will be making a post. So for that, I've used Open News API to fetch some news like taking any topic like AgenticAI. Now we will fetch some news based on that. Once the topics are here, we will select any one of the topic, like this is the latest one, and now we will post this content to our Olama and ask Olama to make a LinkedIn post. In the background, everything is running, and I have installed Olama and I'm using the model Mistral, Mistrl. So it will take some time because it's running on my local machine.